welcome back to the phenomenal session, right? And in this particular session you will be getting the direct as well as the most expected question and the probable chance that you people will be getting those types of question in the examination hall in case of geography. As you know very well, you have to prepare only for chapter climate, soil, natural vegetation as well as water resources, and maximum students they are completely thorough about climate as well as soil, but maximum students are there those who are not thorough about water resources as well as natural vegetation. If yes, do comment right there. Maximum students nahi, 90% 80% students ऐसे हैं, those who are not thorough about natural vegetation, those who are not thorough about the water resources. The most important things you need to do, that is children, in case of water resources, if I'm not wrong, you are having only 30 number of questions in your exercise. 30 से 32 number of questions है. If you are following Goel publication, if you are following Morningstar, 35 number of questions approximately are there. And the most important, do that much. मतलब तुम्हें यहाँ पर I am saying you that my beautiful student that the direct questions every year all the senior brothers and sisters they used to get, your brother and भाई बड़े भैया बड़े बहन, the people those who are there they used to get that maximum questions was complete, almost every question they used to get from exercise, right? And I have marked a question that I'm having a book over here also. I have marked a question from water resources that picture based question was there. Picture based question was there. Oh, the damp him to something is there. Just picture based question was there, my beautiful children. Where it is? Just a minute. The picture based question was there. Yeah, I have got it. And most important, the picture based question is there, that is a page number 183. If you are following Goel publication book, that is the class 31 number of question. 31 number of question picture based question there is there. Who knows if the picture based question also आ गया direct question. It also 2014 में आया हुआ था, which type of irrigation it is, and everything is similar. In case of water resources, you people can do it. Water resources, many kind of how many types of water resources there, who started the tank irrigation कौन से who has started tank irrigation, which is the cheapest means of irrigation, बताओ. This type of question will be coming, and no need of doing why it is necessary to conserve water and all. No, we don't need to do that type of problem. And the maximum thing you need to focus that name the following in this type of things, right? Name, give one word, this type of question you need to follow. And after that you have to do self study. Self study मतलब self study which is there at the back of the exercise. After exercise get over, there is having a self study जो साइड में लिखा रहता है 2013 2015 2017. This type of question is there, and every year this type of question generally come. That means that indirectly you have done PYQs, that indirectly you have completed PYQs, and indirectly you have completed access questions. And the most important, after doing this पक्का 35-40 तुम ला पाओगे. And every year people give 80 out of 80. How? Every brother and sister, your brother, senior brother and sister, he or she used to give 80 out of 80. Can you say me how? अगर सच में अगर डीप में if I will be preparing question for your people geography, if I will go on searching deep to question, if I'll prepare the maximum, the very good student, topper student cannot secure 20, I bet. I challenge topper student cannot secure 20 out of 40, but you people can secure 40 because the question will be easy, the question will be direct question, and the question generally comes from exercise question. It is in trending. I am not saying everything from my own mind. It has been trending. You can go and watch, you can go and match. watch नहीं मैच करो अपना ईयर क्वेश्चन से और ये वाला एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन मैच करो. यू विल बी गेटिंग एवरीथिंग. दूध का दूध पानी का पानी. राइट. कमिंग टू द सेल्फ स्टडी. आफ्टर सेल्फ स्टडी एवरीथिंग गेट ओवर इन केस ऑफ वाटर रिसोर्सेज. कमिंग टू द नेचुरल वेजिटेशन. मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स they are not thorough about this natural vegetation. The same apply logic. The same logic you gonna apply at the same logic you have to apply. After applying the same logic means exercise question you have to do, self study you have to do, at the end summary you have to do. Summary means points to remember. Summary points to remember. Chapter tagline summary जो होता है, what is leaching, what is that, on those you have to do it. Coming to the natural resources, what are there in the natural resources? See, I was not looking at the book in case of mathematics, but I have to look in the book little bit in case of geography because I'm not thorough about the geography. That doesn't mean I don't know, but these are the questions which will be coming in the examination. And remember children, those who have given a maths paper, their maths paper was pretty well and good, and thank you very much for supporting me and for inspiring me, motivating me. And this type of question will be coming. And self-study, board self-study is very important. Content analysis, keywords. I mean to say keywords थोड़ा पढ़ना है after think everything is over. And people are getting worried about maps. सर कौन सा maps आने वाला है? And people, if you are following maps, and I personally think myself, if you will ask me, sir, where you feel the map will be coming, I mean to say it will be coming from soil. Generally it come every year from soil. मतलब क्या होता है? For example, alluvial soil, it would be given alluvial soil. For an example, alluvial soil, red soil is there. Where do you find the most alluvial soil? You have known the state. Alluvial soil सबसे कहाँ मिलता है? And suppose map would be there, you will be getting the map, and वहाँ पर map में darkened होगा, right? Darkened states होगा, darkened states, and in which they will be asking which these are means the darkened shaded belongs to which kind of soil. तुम्हें पता होगा इंडिया में राजस्थान कहाँ है, राजस्थान में कौन सा soil available है? Red, alluvial, black, as well as let right, do comment right there, right? These are the things the question will be coming. And what more question will be coming in this way? That suppose, where do you find the alluvial soil the most? Where do you find the alluvial soil the most? Option दिया होगा. So this type of question you will be getting. And what more question you will be getting? Suppose the map would be there, in which एक जगह में सर्कल हो जाएगा, एक जगह में सर्कल हो जाएगा. सपोज एपी साउथ, सपोज एपी आंध्र प्रदेश उड़ीसा में सर्कल हो गया. दिस टाइप ऑफ सर्कल विल बी देयर, राइट? एंड दैट द क्वेश्चन विल बी मेंशन व्हिच काइंड ऑफ सॉइल डू यू गेट इन द सैडेंट पोर्शन, व्हिच काइंड ऑफ सॉइल did you get? And option 2 में ऐसे दिया हुआ क्वेश्चन दैट which crops does they grow in this type of soil? Soil का मालूम हो गया होगा, you have known about the soil. Which type of crops do you that generally it grows in alluvial soil or black soil, red soil? This type of question you will be getting. I hope मैप अगर 2 या 3 मार्क का जितना मैप आएगा तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा. I think myself that because 2 या 3 marks maximum you will be getting maps. Coming to the climate question is very easy, little bit, you know why? No, it is little bit tricky, but I am saying you easy because you people are reading from the day one. Starting of the standard 10, you started reading climate. That means the students climate and soil, they are completely thorough about that. Heavy rainfall, Manishwara, Meghalaya, कहाँ पर होता है Meghalaya? How many centimeter rainfall? Where do you find a list of rainfall? These are the things you will be getting in the question, and nothing more. No. Whatever you have read, that much only you have to do. Climate to have completed 30 to 35 number of exercise question. Keyword थोड़ा करना है. Self study is most important. Self study exercise question is most important. अगर एक बच्चा if he or she want to secure 40 out of 40 पक्का तुम्हें, and 10 marks is topo sheet, 10 marks is topo sheet, section B is 30 marks, and if out of 30 marks I'm talking about, अगर एक बच्चा पूरा conscience I'm talking about, if a boy or a girl complete all the exercise questions, complete all the keywords, complete all the self study, definitely 30 से तो वो पक्का 25 plus ले आएगा. 25 plus पक्का ले आएगा, पक्का. I repeat. And out of 10 topo sheet you might be knowing everything in topo sheet. Suppose topo sheet में तुम ले आए, suppose 10 में से 10, 35 plus definitely you secured. 90 plus 40 से 40 you can keep it. 40 out of 40 you can keep it. I repeat, 40 out of 40 you can keep it, my dear most children. और definitely जो टॉपर होगा definitely तो बुक का ही पड़ेगा, जो टॉपर होगा बुक का ही पड़ेगा. एंड देयर इज हैविंग अ ट्रिक्स हाउ ICSE CBSE they give question, that also I will be making a session another way. I don't need to, you should waste time in this all type of things. The moral of the story, the very first you have to do, close everything, start doing from back. हमेशा जब बच्चा होता है ना टॉपर, हमेशा पिछवाड़े से पढ़ता है, पीछे से पढ़ता है, राइट? पीछे से. दैट मीन्स क्लाइमेट, सॉइल, नेचुरल वेजिटेशन, वाटर रिसोर्सेस ओवर. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वाटर रिसोर्सेस, नेचुरल वेजिटेशन, PYQ, सॉरी एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन, सम टेस्ट, सेल्फ स्टडी क्वेश्चन, कीवर्ड you have to do it. Then after what? Soil. Then after soil and climate, after you do, then after completing everything, keyword करो, because उतना करने से तुम्हारा टाइम हो जाएगा. Complete time you will be complete 10 or 11 o'clock it will be getting. After that over. After that you have to do little bit map, topo sheet लगाना है, सोना है. Then after you have to appear exam. I hope this strategy is really helpful to you, and definitely my blessings are there, my wishes are there. The way you have scored very good numbers in mathematics, I know very well you people gonna rock tomorrow exam in case of geography. Thank you very much and have a blast.